If you've ever been interested in doing breath work or, cold plunges or really leveraging cold and cold water specifically to enhance your health, boost your immunity, this is a really, really good book. So this is the Wim Hof method for beginners. And Wim Hof is actually the Dutch creator of this specific method, but really more so holistic, just something that's more natural, but a more natural approach to be able to boost immunity, reduce stress, reduce anxiety, and just kind of take care of your mental health and your physical health as well. So this book walks you through a lot of different things. So it has a lot of information in here in regards to, how to control your breath work, migrating between, starting small with maybe like a cold shower and then going to ice baths and just the difference in between, how to gradually build up to those, but really understanding the benefits of all of those methods. Like, why do people do this, right? What's the benefit for you? So that's all in here. And then also it has a really good table of contents in here. So it walks you through the benefits of cold exposure, transitioning between, again, the showers to the ice baths, building a routine, really how you can integrate this into your life. And then also the mental and emotional journey, right? Because this is really meant to, reduce stress, build immunity, etc. So I really like this book. I thought it was a really easy read, 158 pages, so super easy to get through. The text is nice and large, which I have bad eyes, so it worked really well for me, but I really liked it. Again, anything that's focusing on mindfulness, immunity, and just anxiety and stress relief, I think it's really, really worthwhile.